Do you think in your native language while speaking native language? Obviously not. Whatever we want to speak, we speak. There is no pressure in our mind to think the language and then to speak. It's natural. Whatever we want to speak, we just speak. Words come out as it is. We want to speak. There is no need, there is no compulsion to think before speaking. Then the question arises why this happens at the time of speaking the second language, at the time of speaking English. That is our targeted language. And the answer is we don't think in our native language when to speak our native language because we are immersed in our native language. We are surrounded with our native language. We have been listening and speaking since our birth. That is the reason there is no need to think before speaking. But there is always a need to think before speaking a second language. Now, the what exactly is going on? What I want to tell you that your native language is spoken since your childhood. You're listening the language. Same is the case with English. You have to create such an environment as has been created with your native language. So here in this video I want to tell you how to create the environment so that English can also become like your native language, and you can also speak like you speak your native language. As you don't think in your native language before speaking, you will also become like that. So before wasting the time, let's get started. So here we go. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Ansari English Academy. My name is Sonia Ansari and I am from UP. So the technique today, I will let you know the name of the technique is immersion technique. As you are immersed with your native language, you are also supposed to be immersed in this language, in this targeted language, in this English language. Until you are immersed in this language like your native language, you won't be able to speak English as your native language. If you want English to be like your native language, then create an environment and immerse yourself as you are immersed with your native language. And what you have to do here in this language, I will let you know. First, whatever you are listening, it must be in English. Now this step is being taken towards to make this language, to immerse yourself in this language. First, whatever you are listening, it must be in English. Now how is it possible? Whatever you are listening on TV, whatever you are listening on your mobile phone, for example, you are listening the podcast, you are listening the English movies, you are listening the song, you are listening movies, you are listening songs, you are listening podcast, you are listening news, you are listening comic videos, all must be in English. Listening must be. I know you are surrounded with your family, you can't make them speak in English, but what they are not in your control. But what is in your control is your habits. Your phone is completely in your control, so change it. No, I'm not asking you to change your phone. I'm asking you, whatever you are listening, it must be in English. First, listen. Whatever you are reading, it must be. For example, if you are reading newspaper, it must be English. If you are reading any story, any article, any news, anything, any newspaper, any novel, any article, it must be, reading must be in English. Now listening done, reading done. Now it's watching. Whatever you are watching, if you can arrange a separate room for you, if you have a separate room, then start having pictures written in English. Just arrange a blackboard if you can arrange. If you can arrange a separate room, if you don't have, then fine. Whatever will be there on the walls, like quotations in English, like if you will be having a board, write words, vocabulary. So whatever is being watched, paste your walls with the picture written in English. If you are watching TV, if you are watching movies, if you are listening songs, I'm talking about watching. If you are watching any movie, any podcast, any whatever you watch, it doesn't matter. Whatever you watch, whatever you are interested, watch in English. Whatever you are writing, stop writing in Hindi, in your native language. Start writing in English. Whatever you are chatting with your friends, start chatting with English. If you are in habit of having a status, start having a status written in English. I know people will laugh at you that he is becoming Angrez. Let them talk. This technique, just imagine you are listening English, you are watching English, you are reading English just for 1 month. I'm not asking for 7 days. Just do 1 month. Do this activity 1 month. You will wonder, you will have a massive result. The growth which is about to come in your English within 1 year, it will come within just 1 month. What will be when you will listen, when you will watch, when you will speak, when you will read in English? It means you are immersing yourself with in English. It means you are creating an environment, as you are living in an environment of Hindi. You will be living within environment of English. As you are surrounded with Hindi, you will be surrounded with English in this immersion technique. And that then, as you were growing, you were observing your language without any pressure of grammar, without any pressure that you are learning the language. You will also be learning the language when you will immerse yourself naturally. There will be no, because while you will be reading, you will be listening, while you will be watching, the sentence structure, the language pattern, the phrases, vocabulary, everything will grasp in your mind, everything will enter in your mind. That improvement will be natural, and you will see drastic result, powerful result, extraordinary result after 1 month, as this is done by me as well. For last 2 months at least, 1.5 month plus, it's near about 2 months. Whatever I am watching, it is in English. I'm listening English, I'm watching English, I am speaking English, I am observing English, I am reading English, and the result is in front of you. Why I give my example again and again? Because I am a live example. because I have totally immersed in English language. There is no need to think how to make sentence, to think past or future, to think vocabulary, to think the sentence structure. No, when you will immerse yourself in English, everything becomes natural. You will grow in English. You will feed English. While you will watch, listen, and read, it means you are not listening English, you are not watching English, you are not reading English, you are not speaking English. It means you are feeding English to your mind, and this feed will give you English in return. If input is going in English, output will also be going in English only. So don't take this technique lightly, taken for granted. I did, I left no stone unturned. It means I didn't leave any activity to learn English. So emerge. You will speak English like a child learns the language. You will learn the language like a child learns the language. He learns naturally. He without any thinking about the people, about the mistakes, about falling, about not getting growth, about getting hesitation, about getting nervous. He doesn't think any other thing. He learns naturally. While you will be immersed in English, you will also learn naturally, and you yourself will notice. Then out of nowhere you have become master of English, right? So this was immerse technique, and I could tell you lots of the techniques to think in English. Stop translation, but I want to talk about one technique wholeheartedly, completely, with a complete package. I don't want to tell you lots of the activities are there in my mind. Still, I can tell you lots of the activities, but I tell one main activity and talk about the serious aspect of that technique, the serious benefits of that technique, so that you can value that techniques. It is such a wonderful technique. It means you are learning the language, you are learning the real life language. As the child learns, you will also learn this language by having this surrounding, right? So without, now the time is to wrap up the video, and before wrapping the video, let me ask you to please like, share, and subscribe. Please do subscribe, do hit the bell icon, so that every notification of my videos which I upload daily can reach you. I want your support so that I can help you. I want your support not to get growth. I want your support in order to help you, because I know the pain. How does it feel when we want to speak English passionately? There is a passion, but we think that nothing is working. Sometimes we feel depressed, sometimes we feel disheartened, sometimes we feel giving up. I know the pain. I used to feel the same pain. So I don't want people to feel the pain. I want people to use to apply these practical activities which I used to have, which I used to try. Because I'm not here just to gain views, just to get growth. I'm just here just to help the people, and just to growth, my growth in speaking. Because I am a teacher by profession, I can do job anywhere, but I'm not doing job anywhere just because I want to improve me, and with me I want people to be improved, as English has become the targeted language in today's world. Everywhere, wherever you go, English is needed, English is must, right? So Keep watching, keep supporting, and keep subscribing so that I can get encouragement and I can support the people to my best. Right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.